Today, we'll be demonstrating the basic cleaning and maintenance for your Powermatic 6-inch woodworking jointer. Be sure to reference your instruction manual for important safety instructions. Once you've disconnected from the power source, you're ready to get started. For general maintenance and blade care, keep in mind that the blades are extremely sharp. Use caution when cleaning or changing them. When blades become dull, turn them to the new edge or replace them. Use a compressed air hose to clean all of the bed surfaces and the cutter head. Occasionally, apply a few drops of light machine oil to the in-feed-out-feed gives and repeat this step 2 to 3 times. This permits the tables to slide freely. Be sure to wipe off any excess that may drip down. Use a protectant spray on all metal surfaces. If you have any further maintenance questions about your Powermatic 6-inch joiner, be sure to consult your instruction manual. Any additional servicing to your Powermatic 6-inch joiner should be performed by an authorized service technician at a designated Powermatic service center. Don't forget that your Powermatic tool is backed by an industry-leading warranty. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.